Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is called Shelfie with Sharadi. I'll be talking about some of my favorite books and the collection that I have. And I have chosen series for this video, and I'll be talking about all these books and how they've impacted me in my personal life. We have realized that we have actually not properly introduced ourselves in while shooting the videos. So you will know more about me and also Manaswini when she does her shelfie. So we'll be talking about us and what we like, what our hobbies are. So when I say series, obviously the first book that comes to mind is Harry Potter. And like any other kid, I was also a Potterhead, and I still am guilty of being a Potterhead. So the first series that I have chosen is Harry Potter. I have 1, 2, 6, and 7 because the between books someone else has borrowed, and I actually hate it when people borrow my books and don't give it back. But okay, Harry Potter, like we all know, is set in a fantasy world, and I love reading fantasies, and it kind of takes you to a world that does not exist. It's magical, and I have realized while I was reading that I'm definitely a Hufflepuff. And please tell us what you are, which house you belong to in our comments. My favorite characters from the book is Albus Dumbledore, the headmaster, and Hagrid. And according to my zodiac sign, I'm supposed to be a Hagrid. And I also love Luna Lovegood, and I also like Ginny and Hermione, obviously, because she's like super smart. My favorite book in the Harry Potter series is the third book, that is The Prisoner of Azkaban. I like this book because this is where the writing gets more complex, and we learn a lot about Lily and James Potter and their. It flashes back in time, and it is. We learn about Sirius Black, and Lupin comes into picture, and also Peter Pettigrew, and all of them are there, and the writing is very complex. I love Harry Potter so much that when I originally read it when I was in school, I borrowed it from other people and read it. I didn't own any of these books. But I recently bought the whole series just because I wanted to have the hard copies of all these books. The series that I'm talking about is the Shiva trilogy. This has 3 books, and I connect to this because I'm a classical dancer. I'm trained in Bharatnatyam, and I worship Lord Shiva. And this book, the series, portrays Shiva as the hero who saved a lot of people, and which makes him a legend. The next book I'm talking about is Pride and Prejudice. I love classics, and I also like Pride and Prejudice because the protagonist, that is Elizabeth's character, is a very strong female character who kind of questions the society and does not budge, and she's just who she is. She's not a person who the society expects her to be. I also like Pride and Prejudice because there are a lot of characters in the story, and I like books which have a lot of characters because you get to know many personalities and you get to know them. And Elizabeth Bennet, especially the protagonist of Pride and Prejudice, is a very complex character. She has many layers to herself, and I personally like people who have a lot of complexities in their characters, and I love contradictions in people. So that is why I enjoy reading books which have a lot of characters. And the other book that I've chosen, another classic, is Little Women. This is probably one of my most favorite books, and I love this book so much that I think it deserves a separate video. So I'll be talking about this book in the coming weeks. So I usually do this thing called Book of the Month where I at least try to read one book every month. But lately I have not gotten the time to read books because I am doing CS, company secretary, and I have my exams coming up next month. And I also want to talk a little about how we started this channel and talk about our friendship. Manasvi and I have been friends for like 15 years probably. We have like grown up together, we live in the same building. And I think we have had the most fun while shooting these videos. So I'd also like to talk about how we got to start this channel. It was completely Manaswini's idea, and we at least weekly once we go on terrace and spend a lot of time like talking about everything. And out of the blue, she said we should start a YouTube channel and talk about books because we always talk about books on terrace. And it was also the lockdown time when we were not supposed to go, and the situation was like really bad. So we wanted to like put out positive energy out there by doing this YouTube video. And now we're enjoying shooting these videos and talking about books, and also we've taken it very seriously. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying our content or our videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video because it was the hardest to shoot because I was kind of talking about myself also. I'm a very private person and I'm not very expressive about myself. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel.